Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In today's video we are using different color pencils to draw a very beautiful and cute fish. You can see the picture of that fish which will be made by the end of this video. So let's draw. First of all, we will take a rough sketch using this pencil, and once we draw the fish with pencil, then we will erase it with eraser, and then we will use different colors. So this is the outline of our fish. Don't go anywhere, watch the complete video. You will learn about making such a beautiful design of a fish. So you will draw it. So this is a sketch. Now we erase it. Now we are using a dark blue color pencil to outline the fish. You can see I'm just speeding up, and now we are using black color pencil to make the body parts. Such a cute fish. Hope you are also drawing. And now we are using an orange color pencil to highlight this area. So we are using a uniform shade in one direction. You can see the area which you want to have a bit darker shade, so you have to color it a bit darker. So you can use a single color with different shades. Now we are just covering the forehead portion, the eyes area. Now we are using red color to cover the fins. So first of all, it's a rainbow fish. We are using different colors. So this one is red color. It's a pencil color once, and it is water color once we will spread a water brush over these colors, so it will look very nice and dark colors. So we are making a very cute fish. You will see a very nice fish by the end of this video. That's a dark green color. Now we are using dark blue color. Remember, dear kids, always color in one direction. Now black color. So a color painting is looking like that. Once you complete it, there is still a lot of work. Now this is green color. Again we are using orange color to color the fins. You can see how uniformly I am just spreading the colors in one direction. Now highlighting this area. So you can do it. Practice makes a man perfect. Once you will do, so you will draw. You can use watercolor as well. We will also draw this cute fish with watercolors. And now we are using red colors. Again highlighting this area, the head area. We will also color the eyes dark blue color. You can see it is looking so cute. So our cute fish, a rainbow fish, is ready now. After this we will also use some water brush to make the colors darker as they are soluble in water. Let us highlight the outline again. Now it is looking more beautiful. You can see the difference. Wow! Now let's start using water brush. I dip the brush in water and now but equal amount of water, now coloring it. You can see the color is becoming darker as these are watercolors, so they are soluble in water. Have you used watercolor pencils before to color anything? So one by one I will just cover the whole fish with this brush while cleaning it with water after changing the colors. Now I am coloring the red area. So for the rest of the video we will follow the same procedure. Watch complete video to understand and learn the idea, and if you like the video, subscribe our channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.